Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a column chart on your Google Sheet on web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a column chart in Google Sheet web. So to insert the column chart, you just want to choose the data. So I just choose the data. Then you just click on the insert option. And here you will see an option called chart. Click this. And after clicking on the chart option, you can see inside there will be option. In the chart tab, you just want to select as column chart, and you can just scroll down. You can find in the column chart there is only three different type of. The first one was column chart. The second is column chart. You can just change, or you can just change to 100% like this. And you can just resize the chart size, and you can just keep here. And also if you just need to change the color of the chart, you just click on the color, and here you can just change the color option. Here you can see the color fill, so you can just easily switch the colors if you just need it. And it's simple to change the color, so just click this and just click on the fill color and just change it. So this is how you just insert a column chart on your Google Sheet on the web on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.